Hi everybody, this is Sean with the Socium Digital Inverto360 app. I am back again for another video. In this video, I am going to demonstrate how the batch function works inside of Inverto360. So by now you've probably already installed the app in your org and you have maybe converted some leads in your sandbox. And now you're kind of curious on how you do a batch inversion, which is really the big key component to the app. Um, in the previous video, you'll remember that when you logged in to a specific account, you had the Inverto360 button on the page layout. Now, that's okay if you're going to convert one account at a time, or you see one that you've converted by mistake. Go ahead and use the Inverto360 button on the actual page layout. However, what I have ran into with a lot of customers is, they've purchased 1,000 leads, or they have been working all their leads in the account side for multiple years, and they don't want to work them on the account side or inside the account object anymore. So what happens is, once you're inside the account, to convert everything back over to a lead, especially when you get to the point where you have multiple accounts or multiple contacts or multiple notes or attachments, that could be a time-consuming process. So what I've done is we have the batch function inside of Inverto360, and I'll show you how that works now. So when you navigate to your accounts tab, you can create a view if you want, maybe like, accounts to convert, etc. For this instance, we're just going to use the all accounts view, and I'm going to click the go button. When you go to the page, the accounts tab, and you go to the all accounts, you'll notice that there's a mass Inverto360 account update. Now, what this does is, on the account record, there are two custom fields that we have created. One is convert account and one is delete account. And what that does is it's basically telling the batch function what to do with that account. Now, you could at one point use a mass update or a mass edit, but I felt that was too time consuming to tell clients to download another tool. So we have built this functionality inside of the app. So what you do is similar to any list view, mass update, or mass edit. You find the account that you want to update. Now, we could select them all if we wanted, or we could just select one. Okay? So for this example, we are going to select just one, which is United Oil and Gas Singapore. When I click that checkbox, it will automatically check the boxes inside the account. Now let me show you what that means. See right here, delete account or convert to lead. Those are the boxes that we're going to check. Now, if I wanted to, I could do that manually on each record, but again, it takes a little bit too long to do that, so we didn't want to do that. So I'll go back to the list view. I'm going to select that account, and I'm going to click Mass Inverto. Now, what it's going to ask you next is, do you want to convert the account to a lead and do not delete the account, or do you want to convert the accounts to a lead and delete the accounts? Again, you can only select one. So for this example, we're going to convert the account and we're going to delete the accounts. We're going to update. That's set for the batch. Now, it did not run yet. We can see it's still here. However, notice the two checkboxes are checked. The next thing we'll do is, you'll see a custom object up here that's called Inverto360 Batch Run. We're going to click on that. Here's our disclaimer, let you know just to do everything in a sandbox before you use the app. But all you do now is click to run the batch. You're going to be asked, are you sure you want to convert? Yes, we do. Batch has ran successfully. Now, how fast is that? This is only one account, so it's going to be relatively quick. Now, if you'll notice, when I go to my all accounts list, United Oil and Gas Core Singapore is gone, okay? Because we have deleted the account. However, if we go to leads, we will see that there are two new leads, Mr. Cruz, all of his activity campaign history is brought over. If we go back, we'll see that Tom Ripley is also brought over with campaign history, notes and attachments, etc. That's basically it. It's that easy to convert. We did a conversion a few weeks ago for a client, and they had over 14,000 contacts with 4,400 accounts that we converted in about 40 minutes. And when I mean 40 minutes, I don't mean that we sat here for 40 minutes. I mean, we literally just went through the process I showed you, clicked the batch run, and we just watched the leads come into his org. So that's it. That's how the batch works. If you have any questions, as always, feel free to reach out to us directly at sociumdigital.com, SOCIUM digital.com, or open a help desk support ticket at helpdesk@sociumdigital.com, and we would be happy to help you. As I said in the previous video, we give 1 hour of free support for all new clients, and I've been known to support clients even if it's past an hour. We really want you to install this app and be happy with it. So if you have any questions, please feel free to, again, reach out to us. We really appreciate all the great feedback we're getting. As always, please share if you know someone that's looking to, use this function. And, as always, thanks a lot. If you have any questions, just let us know. Have a great day. Thanks.